Alright, got my camera here. Okay, this is my drone. Alright, I'll fly this my drone. This is my neighborhood. This is my third flight of my drone. I'm sorry there's no audio recording because I did this screen recording and I don't have a memory card yet for my drone, but the next drone video I'll try to have a memory card for my drone so that I can do some like editing and that sort of stuff. And there's my neighborhood right there. I flew up a little bit, but I was too scared to fly too high because the wind was kind of blowing. And I was getting close to the power line. I was getting kind of scared to fly my drone. So yeah. I was starting to get used to it, the control still. And you can see the battery life's up there around 38%, 37%, but yeah. It was going good. And I was just flying. And I was flying all around, got up to 11 satellites. I don't get very many satellites in my neighborhood because there's a lot of trees. But where the circle, where the roundabout is, I was on top of the island of the roundabout, and I was flying around like cul-de-sacs, 2 roundabouts. I was trying not to go too far. There's my MUM's car right there. I was flying. I was a little bit above the power line right there, and just flying over there. I was trying to get used to the controls of the drone, because this was my only like third flight, and I dropped down because of wind. Oh yeah, it was warning me the battery was at 30%, but I was still flying because I wasn't too worried about the battery until about 25%, so I started flying around. And when it warns you, it vibrates. When it warns you, it vibrates. And I was going down a little bit lower, but then I was telling it to go away because it was getting too close to my face. Yeah, but I flew it away over there because I was trying to swim around. This is my flight. I'm still trying to get used to this. This is a Gino drone, and it has a 4K camera, but I don't know if you can see this is in 4K for this screen recording. But next video you'll see, hopefully it'll be in 4K because this drone can do 4K. I was just going around my neighborhood. I was looking on my street, and I was just filming. And I went up to about 8 meters above the ground. That was my altitude. I know I can go a bit higher than that, but I didn't want to because I was trying to get used to the drone. The next flight, I might try to do the waypoint mission where you can program your drone where you want it to fly, and I'll program it to fly really high so it doesn't, hit anything. Because I don't want it to hit anything. Because my neighborhood's around a lot of trees. The name of my street's Forest Lane. The reason why, because you see all these trees. That's probably why it was called Forest Lane. There's me waving hi. Bye. I'm gonna end. Whoa, it's getting too close. I was wearing my Toronto Raptors because I'm from Canada. Yeah, I was just waving, saying hi. This drone is really good. I ordered it May 13th. I got it last Monday, and I've been flying it last Tuesday, and I flew it last Friday, and then it went down to 25%. So right at this point, I was trying to land my drone, and yeah, it was getting too close to my face, so I was trying to fly it away from my face. But now it's close enough away. I'm trying to land it at this point. I was trying to find a good spot to land my drone, and I went over about 5 meters above my head, I think, or 2. It was still safe enough distance away from me because I have to follow the drone laws of Canada. So I got my drone registered. And this time I went to return home. Now I'm landing. And boom! What a perfect landing. Any landing is a good landing, as any pilot will tell you. Well, that's all from here now. It's Grandma Gamer signing off. Please comment, subscribe, hit the like.